up, YouTube? I'm here with that latching video, so pay attention. First step, you will need a paper clip, one of these. Don't matter which size, whatever, you just need a paper clip. If you can't do it with a paper clip, use your hands, but I'll show you how to use your hands and the paper clip, so pay attention. First, you're gonna need to undo the paper clip. So it's just straight. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight, but just good enough. It's gonna look like this. Alright. Next step, you're gonna need to bend the paper clip. So it looks something like that. A little something like that. It's gonna look like that. Then you're gonna need to wrap the paper clip around it like this. You wrap these two ends, the open ends, around each other. Leave this part open though. Leave it open. Just wrap it around. Now it depends on how big your dreads are. The opening supposed to be right here. Make sure it's big enough to go through it. Well, small enough to go through it, but make sure it's big enough to put your dread inside the hole. So this is what it looks like when it's done. Alright. Okay, the first thing you do, latching. Let me see. I'm not gonna do all of mine. I'm just gonna do like probably like 3 of them. What you do is okay, this is one. If your dread is not locking up real good, this would be a good idea to do. So you stick the paper clip through the dread. Hold on. So it's through the dread. You see it? It went through the dread. It's through the dread. Okay. Take the dread, you take the tip of the dread, this part, you stick it in this hole. God. It's kind of hard to do with this camera on me, because I need both hands. Okay, let's try this. Okay, still through the dread. Take this part, stick it through the hole. It's in the hole, see? You stuck it through the dread, and now the dread is stuck in the hole. So now you just take the part, take this paper clip and pull it on down, and it's gonna come through. The dread is gonna come through the hole that you stuck the paper clip in. it doesn't come all the way down, take the tip of the dread and pull it. Pull the dread. It will be straight. So now it's gonna be a V. There's gonna be a V in it, like in your dread. But don't worry about it, cause next time, like when you retwist it, it's not gonna be there. It's gonna go away. Now, I suggest you do that. I don't really. Most people say do it until it gets tight at the end, but I usually don't do that. I just do it like a good 3 times and then retwist it and then wait till next time and then do it another 3 times and then finally your dread will be locked up. And then another reason it will not come out. It will not come out worth anything. When you wash it, it will still be in there. So I'm gonna do another demonstration for y'all so y'all can make sure y'all have this. I'm gonna do the same one. No, I'm gonna do a different one. I'm gonna do this front one. When you're doing the ones in the front, you want it to go to the back. So you're gonna stick the paper clip through the back of the dread. In the hole. Pull it back. Pull the dread. One more. I'm gonna do one more. This one. Through the dread. In the hole. Pull it back. There you go. Now if you can't do it with if you don't have a paper clip and you want to do this without the paper clip, you can always take, let me see, this one. Okay. Take, pull your dread until you get like a hole right in the middle. Take both of your fingers and pull hair on both sides of the dread until you get a hole in it, like that. See that hole? Okay, now you're gonna take the dread with your finger, stick the dread through the hole. No, go through the front. Dread through the hole. Pull it back. Take the dread, pull the hair, put the dread in the hole, going towards the back, and pull it through the hair. That is how you do finger latching. So that's all you. That's pretty much it. Take the paper clip, or you take your fingers, put it through the dread, pull it back, and that's how you latch your hair. Now, don't freak out about the V thing, cause that will go away. But just make sure that you do this correctly, cause you can get your dread tangled up in your hair, and it'll get stuck there, and then you'll have to just try to rip it out, and that's gonna take away hair. So you don't want to do that. Not want to do that at all. So that's why it's best to use a paper clip. Now I'm done, and I'll holler at y'all on my next update. Peace.